Alrighty, here we go. Got some pretty nice cells in this. Very big cells. This corner's probably got to be my favorite, just because of the color combo. And then that's the big painting. And then come over here and see the photo paper. I'm sorry, I'm not a very steady hand. A tad bit shaky. This one's really pretty. And here's the last one that we did. And I believe that's the first one. And then that's it. Thank you all for watching. If you like some of my art, check out my Etsy shop and my Instagram at BeyondAcrylicArt. And we'll see you next time.